In this lecture, we will be bringing the views into our dashboard. I'll show you how we can bring the views in. So from our previous lectures, each of the sheets that we have created are now stored over here from sheet 1 to sheet 22. This workbook will be available in the exercise files of this course, or you can also find it on our website passingbi.com and clicking on the downloads. So let's create a dashboard and bring the views that we have created inside of our dashboard. So what we would need to do is click on this dashboard icon over here that we see on the bottom, and we're gonna get to the dashboard screen. Currently we don't have anything in here. It says to drop the sheets. All the sheets that we have created are being shown over here, and if you were to hover over them, it will show us the preview of how the sheets look. It is always a good practice to give each of these worksheets a name when you're creating them, so when it comes time to bring the views in, you do not need to hover over like we're having to do right now. So if we had the views in, all we would need to do is we would just need to drag the various views. So let's drag in 3 of these views. It's real simple. It's just drag and drop. You just drag it, and then you can specify where you want it to show. So before letting go of the left mouse button, we can specify where we want to drop it. So if you just want to show it here, we can drop it here, and it's going to be visible. Same thing, if we want to show on the side, we can drop it right here and it will be shown over here on the right. So this is how you bring the views inside of your dashboard. In the next lecture, we will be covering the sizing of the dashboard.